Hi there! In this video, we will be reviewing the latest video reply updates. So, let's get started with the share option. In the previous version, you could only share one video at a time with other agents. But now, easily select necessary videos and share them in bulk. Besides, you can also use filters to find necessary videos on the video library page or change the view mode for convenient work. Our next improved feature is the video page settings. Now you can add your brand logo. All you need is to insert a company or product logo URL in the appropriate field. Besides, easily create custom fields using values and add links to make the video page more informative. If this tutorial is helpful, subscribe to our channel and social media you can find in the description below. Also, visit our growth.com to learn more about the video reply features. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.